Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Adri and today I'm going to be cleaning and decorating the interior of my car. I drive a 2019 Honda Civic EX and I've already modified the exterior of my car, which I want to go over in another video, but today I'm just going to be focusing on the interior. Also, this is going to be my first YouTube video, so please like and subscribe, and if you guys have any video suggestions that you want to see in the future, just let me know in the comments. So this is basically the interior of my car. It's kind of a mess right now because I let my dog in here and she likes to mess everything up. So I'm basically gonna start with taking out the mats and washing them. So I'm pretty much just going to be using this natural disinfectant and spraying and wiping down my car with it.
Hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Be testing out this leather color repair cream. I've never used it before. It's black inside, so I don't want to get it everywhere, but I'm just gonna use a small amount and see how it works. Oh wow, makes a big difference. Get a close-up of how it works. Pretty good. Okay, now that I'm finished cleaning my car, it's finally time to decorate. The first couple of things I'm going to be putting on are this steering wheel cover, and I got this like blinged out stick-on thing for the push to start ignition. So let's see this. So this is how it looks right now. struggle. Okay, hold on. Reason why. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. So this is how the steering wheel cover looks. It's pretty cute, I like it. Now I'm gonna install these little stick-on blings for the push to start. Okay, so this is how it looks. I kind of like it like this. I don't know if I'm gonna... Oh, it still has the stop start written on it, so I'll just stick this piece on. So this is how they both look. It's pretty cute. So now I'm just gonna be placing down this anti-slip little mat up here. There we go. Could just put anything on it and it's not gonna just roll off. I'm going to be putting in these two seat gap plugs, and they just slide over the belt buckle. And what this does is it's gonna prevent anything from falling down the crack. I've dropped my phone and other things down here so many times and it's pretty annoying. So these will come in handy, and you can also just place your phone or anything you might need to in the side. And it's the same thing for the passenger side. Just press it down beside the seat. And yeah. The next two things I have are this for your phone. Is that you stick it over here and then you can just put your phone on it like a phone holder. And I have these two little cup coaster mats thingies. So I just put it down here. And for this piece, I'm pretty sure the bottom, this part sticks to your car and this part to your phone. So these magnets, whichever one, just sticks at the back of your phone. And then the side of it is just gonna stick onto here. That should be good. Now I'm gonna put on this carbon fiber. Oh, I gotta stick the tape on. So this is basically gonna go on top of this to protect the material. Actually, it doesn't even seem like it needs tape. It just like slips right on perfectly. So that's that. There's also these two carbon fiber covers to protect the material at the side right over here. So I'm assuming that this just, yeah, that just slides over on that, and then it's just the same thing for the other side. So I'm just gonna pop that on, and yeah, that is how it looks. The back seat covers kind of sucked. They had no hole for the head, so I literally had to make a slit to make it work. Another thing is there's no way to access the middle seat belt. Luckily for now, I don't have anybody riding in my car with me, so it doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna have to invest in some better seat covers. Now I'm just going to install my dog seat cover. So one of the last things I'm going to be doing for today is sticking down these anti-scuff strips to each of the door panels. And this is how they look after they're applied. So there's actually supposed to be two pieces, one here and one over here. So this is how it looks after. Okay, so I'm just installing this now because I completely forgot what it was for. It's pink trim. So I'm gonna be going around the vents and the sides of my car with this pink trim. So basically just have to measure it. Goes up to there, and then I'm gonna cut the end off. And then I just have to create a space, because this is kind of hard to get on, to create a space in between. And then try to just slide it over. Like that. So I'm just gonna go around and do that quickly. I'm just doing my door right now, this trim at the side. And so you just literally take the black part and you stick it, you press it in and go all the way along. And then you just cut off the excess. And yeah. Alright guys, I'm finally finished. Those pink trims took forever. They were so difficult to fit in like the tight spaces. That was definitely the hardest part, but now that I'm done, I'm just gonna show you guys the final results. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Sorry if my filming and editing skills weren't the best. It is my first YouTube video, so please bear with me. Anyways, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!